Hi, this is Ani, and welcome once again to the weekly market outlook. And this time is for a week of October 6th, which is now into the fourth quarter of the year. And last week, with the change of the third quarter end and the beginning of the fourth quarter, as I have mentioned before, volatility existed. People taking profits. They weren't certain which way the markets would go. Certain reports weren't so favorable. Others, the end of the week, were with the jobs report, resulting in this bounce right here that basically almost gave us a gap up. And notice it established right here another support right now. This is our current support, and and also hit this resistance line back up here. And what I expect, of course, is a possible test down to this level at 16,935, 930, 31 area. And maybe if we do the strict 50%, it could go down as far as 16,907, 910. But also, these are some minor support lines right there with these two arrows you can see. And right here, maybe our test that might be the most we pull down before continuing back up, and then looking for this possible next level of resistance if we are going to go into this V-shaped recovery. But usually these tails like this become test markers once more, and so that is the other possibility, is if this does not hold here, then we can start moving back down and then testing and filling that line and hitting this trend line right there. Now if I look further back with this type of a pattern there to complete, I can see evidence right back here where it does not complete all the way back down, and this right here is where it did not complete and gave us a V-shaped recovery. You can also notice that that's what started this current channel trend that we're in. So looking for a possible V-shaped recovery, and with it possibly a new high, and possibly also looking for a test down here. Now this week, I don't know if we would hit this new high. Certainly there's still enough questions in this market, and of course fourth quarter repositioning and etc. could affect it. Now let's take a look at the SPX, which is very similar, and so there's really not much more I can say there, but you can see that this same pattern exists. The only thing I would like to point out here is that this channel right there has been breached, and it is further down, and we do need to look down to the 1901 as a possible stop to it. If it's going to complete this pattern, then the next level would be around the 1866. Now, once again, just depends on how strong this recovery or this bounce can be. If it fails, then the other scenario certainly can prove to be true. And the NDX shows pretty much the same thing. And right here, as we have breached this line here, now we are testing these support lines right there. Let's take a look at this a little bit closer. We've been out of down below this trend line more than once, bounced several times. Now we're testing lower, so that's what gives me pause as to how strong the NASDAQ is here, and it gives me pause that it could possibly test now the 3,900, if I can talk. Certainly you have to watch this pattern right there, and if it breaks through up above the 4076, that's when I think that we will be more likely hitting this upper trend line much more strongly than before. So this line right here at 4078 is the one to watch, which is a little bit away, and the other one is this line right here at the 3970. See if we can hold above it. Okay, that's it then. Trade it well and carefully into the week. As always, good luck in the markets, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.